Hello everyone, welcome back to LIFERN. Today we're going over how to make Zalatadiraqia. Here are the ingredients for the dressing. Alright, 2 lemons, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of dried mint leaves, and 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. For the zalata, half a red onion, 2 Roma tomatoes, 4 Persian cucumbers, 1 cup parsley, 1 cup cilantro, and 1 8-ounce cup of garbanzo beans. Now we're just going to go ahead and dice up all of our veggies. These are the cucumbers. You want to make sure that each of these are diced up accordingly, maybe about 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 inch each piece, and of course make sure that the rest of your vegetables are also cut around the same size so you get the same deliciousness in each bite. And on to dicing your tomatoes, whichever way you like, of course, to try to make them symmetrical to the other veggies earlier, the cucumbers. You can also remove your tomato seeds so that's not extra juicy. You don't want extra sauce in addition to your dressing. It makes it kind of soggy, so that's why I removed it. You can use it for a different recipe later on too. And now we're done with that. We're going to go ahead and dice up our red onion. A little trick to this to make sure that you don't tear up while you're cutting the onion is having a wet cloth right next to you. I have it on the side, so it helped me out. And onto our parsley. You go and just parsley and cilantro. You're going to go ahead and just fold it over and then chop it up roughly like so. Excuse the camera movement. You get the gist of it. And onto our bowl, we'll go ahead and add it to the rest of the veggies. Now we're going to go ahead and I like to zest it a little bit. You don't have to fully zest to the full 2 lemons, but it helps with increasing the lemony taste in here. Then you add all of your ingredients for the dressing as I listed earlier in the video. Whisk it up like so, pour it over. Then you can toss this up. You can also add some feta cheese as well as olives, but it's up to you. The recipe doesn't really call for it, I just added it towards the end of it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Pair this up with some pita bread, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much, bye!